What's up guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to take that first step. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube channel from start to finish. So let's get started. So now, the first thing you need in order to create your YouTube channel is a Gmail account. If you don't have one, I will just go through it so you can get familiarized with what I'm doing. So first thing is to set up your Gmail account. So I'm going to set up a Gmail account for this YouTube channel right now that I'm going to create. So Gmail sign up. Alright, so once you hit Gmail sign up, you will now click on create a Gmail account. Create account. And now I'm prompted to enter my first name, my last name, username, and your password. So your first name, and enter your email that you want to use. This can be any email, doesn't matter. So just make up an email address. So I'm going to call this, my channel is going to call Cardan and D. Well, I could just normally just write Nicardo Shirley at gmail.com. Doesn't matter, you can easily change your YouTube name. Your YouTube name doesn't reflect your Gmail. You can create a YouTube name that is called Cardan Vibes, for instance, and the Gmail that linked to that email could be Nicardo Shirley. So it doesn't really matter right here. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna name this email address Cardan and D. It doesn't really have to be the name of the channel though. Cardan and D. Cardan and D. Cardan and D. Cardan and D. And my password now is going to be once you create the password, enter your email address and your name, just click on the next button and it will take you to this screen to link a phone number to that account. You use this phone number, a recovery email address. So this email address basically, for instance, you don't remember your password to enter your Gmail, you can have another email address that can be used as a recovery address. So if you don't remember your password and you click on reset, a code will send to that recovery email address, so you can just enter it and reset your password. So my recovery email address, gender male. Click on the next button and you are all set. So not now. They are asking me to verify my phone number, but for the sake of this video I will do that some other time. So not now. I agree. It's good to read this though. Alright, so now my email address is now created. So if I should click right here, you would see Cardan and the 2020 at gmail.com. So I'm actually in my email address right now. So this is my email I created just a while ago. So yeah, that's how you create your email account. So now what I'm going to do now is to create my YouTube channel now. Now that I have an Gmail account, I will now create my YouTube channel. But by default, once you have a Gmail account, you already have a YouTube channel account, but it don't activate as yet. So it's you now have to go in and do some little tweaking to your channel. So now I'm going to create my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do now is right here, sign into this, come in, then I'm going to go to click on YouTube. Alright, so now, oh wait, I'm logged into the wrong account. So let me sign out of this real quick and sign in with the account that I just created. This is the account that I just created. Nicardo and the 2020 at gmail.com. So this is the account that I just created. The password, they prompt me to enter the password is enter my password. So once I've logged in, it brings me right to this page. Choose how you appear and what you see on YouTube. So you can see I'm currently signed in as Nicardo and the 2020 at gmail.com. Cardon and the will be my YouTube channel name. I'm going to create that shortly. So right here it asks me create a channel. Google account, YouTube, whatever. I'm going to click on create a channel. Use other name. Create a new channel. Create. So I was saying earlier, remember when you was creating your Gmail account and I said the name of your Gmail doesn't have to reflect the channel name. So you can have a Gmail account Nicardo Shirley, but for instance, and your account, your YouTube channel name is GoDaddy or something like that. So it doesn't really have to reflect. So now it's asking me to create a channel name and it's going to call Cardon. Can't spell my name. And the blog. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. Blogs. Cardon and the vlogs. Click on create. And my channel is created. So that's it, guys. You see right here, Cardon and the vlog. Currently, I don't have a profile picture right here, and neither a banner. So I'm going to need a profile picture as you see right here and a banner to go right here. But you see Cardon and the vlog, that's the name of the channel, so it's already created. I have not yet upload my video, my first video as yet. So if you want to upload a video, I will do that in another video where I will further customize this channel and optimize it for a search engine and all those things and upload my first video. So stay tuned. Before you go, I'm gonna show you my previous channel. This is my comedy channel, Cardon Vibes. So once you type in Cardon Vibes, it's actually called Cardon Vibes TV. Once you type in it, it will appear right here. So currently you see I have a profile picture right here, and if I click this channel link, you'll see I have a banner, prank time, my videos that I have uploaded, current videos, and this is the profile banner. Also, if I check out my another channel, Nicardo Shirley, Nicardo Shirley TV, you'll see I have a profile icon right here and a banner. So stay tuned, I will further customize my channel in another video where I'll upload my first profile icon, a banner, and upload my first video. Again, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please comment below and I will surely get back to you. See you guys in part 2 of this video.